What's up, Powell High School? Thank you guys so much for participating in this week's Make-A-Wish fundraiser. And just a reminder that tomorrow is Blue and White Dress-Up Day for Make-A-Wish.
Hi, we're from Student Council. Tomorrow during Panther Time we'll be playing the Minute to Win It game. A member from Student Council will come to your classrooms with a bucket, and your teacher will have a timer set to 1 minute. During that minute, you'll have to gather up as much change as you can from your classroom and get it put into the bucket. The team with the most money will win a prize. And so remember that you have 1 minute and 1 minute only to fill the bucket. Go!
Howdy, partner. Looks like you're shooting some hoops. This is the only hoop in town, and it's mine.
You're gonna have to claim it for us. First come, first serve. I got rights.
You got it. It's not a big score.
Oh, better stick with running if you're gonna hit it like that.
I can run faster than you and play golf better than you.
Oh, that I disagree. The ball may be smaller, but I'm ready.
Okay,
Let's have it out.
whoever wins makes dinner
All right,
and does the laundry.
finally something decent to eat.
I challenge you to shootout then. 3 misses, 3 strikes, you're off the court.
You got it.
Who will win their duels? It's up to you. You can now vote in the office by putting change or dollars in the jar of the teacher you want to win. The 2 teachers that raise the most money for Make-A-Wish by the end of the day today will win their own individual duels. From there, the 2 winners will face off in an ultimate competition, and the winner will be named the best in the West. Remember, you only have until the end of the day today to vote, so be sure to stop by the office. Best of luck, partners.